Looking for a dish that is quick, delicious, and always a hit? This creamy pasta salad checks all the boxes. It is one of my go-to recipes whenever I want something simple, easy, but impressive. And today, I'm sharing it with you. So keep on watching and make sure you watch till the end. So now, grab a big bowl, introduce the shredded cabbage. It is advisable you prep all the veggies before now. That is what I did. Okay? So now the next ingredient to go in is our shredded carrots. Make sure to scrape the back, wash before grating. Okay? Next ingredient to go in is cucumber. Make sure you wash your cucumber before slicing. Okay? Here is the star ingredient to this recipe, our cooked pasta. How I made it is at the end of this video, so make sure you watch till the end, okay? Next ingredient is sweet corn. What we are doing here is bringing all the ingredients together in one bowl, okay? Here is some green peas. I'll pour that in. You are free to take out any of the veggies you do not like, and as well include the one you prefer. Here is some diced tomatoes. I'll pour that in, and some diced onions. Can you see the vibrant colors? Some people call it side dish, but I call it main dish. This is full package, a bowl of goodness. Now, for protein, we'll be using boiled eggs. You can use chicken or any protein of choice, okay? Now, we're going to set it aside and get our cream ready. Remember, we are making creamy pasta salad. So, in a bowl, go in with reasonable amount of salad cream. Next is some ketchup. Skip it if you want to maintain white cream or you add a little, okay? Next, I'll go in with some mayonnaise. To sweeten it a bit, I'll go in with some honey. For some heat, I'll go in with some cayenne pepper. Yes, I want it a bit spicy. You can substitute it to black pepper, okay? Now, finish it up with some dry parsley and stir generously until everything is well combined. Quick one, guys. Please, if this is your first time meeting my video, you're welcome. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Ijoma. Here, I post videos on how to make easy, delicious cooking recipes, baking, delectable small chops, snacks, and more. So if it sounds interesting to you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you become part of the family, okay? Now, back to the bowl of goodness. That's what I call it, okay? Go in with the cream. Pour it all over it. Now, the amount of cream you add will determine how creamy your salad is going to become or turn out, okay? In other words, if you want it creamy, make sure to add enough cream. If you do not want, add less. As simple as that. Now, take your time to stir it until everything is well combined. Do not rush, okay? Now, if you have watched up until this extent, you've done well. It means you are enjoying this video. Please, you may consider liking it, commenting, and sharing for others to learn as well. If you haven't subscribed, endeavor to subscribe, okay? Turn on your notification bell as well so you don't miss out on any of my upload. Thank you. All right, we're done with the mixing. Look at how creamy, delicious it looks, guys. I'm sure somebody is salivating already. You are, I know. And there you have it, guys. Our delicious, mouth-watering, creamy pasta salad is set. Oh my, look at this bowl of goodness. Please give it a go. A trial will convince you and help me share it to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out as well. All right, guys, let's dish it out, okay? Lovely. It looks amazing, guys. Will you be trying it out? I know you sure will because it is easy to put together. Just follow the steps and you're good to go. All right, guys, thank you for joining me in creating this amazing recipe. It tasted super good and can't wait for you to try it out. Now, how I made the pasta we used, okay? In a pot, go in with some water, bring it to a boil, and introduce your pasta. Now, go in with some salt to taste, okay? Afterwards, give it a gentle stir and Cover it up and allow to cook. We are going to cook for a few minutes, let's say 2 to 3 minutes, okay? Checking back, at this point, our pasta is ready. Perfect the way we want it. Not too strong, not too soft, just somewhere in the middle, okay? Now sieve it, and that's it. Thank you once again for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.